Arab nation. Arab Baidas are Ad and Samud nations. Arab Arbas were Yemenians. Arab Mustarbas were Hijazians. Arab Mustarbas are also called Bani Adnani and Mizri. Quraysh tribe was from Arab Mustarba. Arab means desert. Arabia is bounded by water. That is why it is called Jaziratul Arab. The land of Arabia was barren. The dwellers of desert in Arabia are called Bedouins. There was Palestinian desert and Syrian desert on the north side of Arabian Peninsula. Total area of Arabia Peninsula consisting of desert is 3/4. Geographers have divided Arab into five parts: Tahama, Hijaz, Najd, Yemen, and Aruz. Tehama means lowland. In divine book Torah, Hijaz is called Faran. Hijaz is the biggest province of Arabia. Hijaz is located on the bank of Kalzam or Ahmar. Most part of the Hijaz consists of desert. Jeddah and Yambo are seaports in Hijaz on coast of Ahmar. Makkah, Medina, and Taif are the famous cities of the Hijaz. Jeddah is the seaport of Makkah that is located about 75 kilometers on western side of Makkah. The seaport Yambo is located near Medina. Najd means plateau. The capital of Arabia is located in Najd. The most fertile tract in Arabia is Yemen. In Yemen, Saba and Hamir, most civilizations were settled. Bazan, Irani governor of Yemen, embraced Islam in the era of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The capital of Yemen is Sana'a. Aden is the seaport of Arabia that is located in Yemen. They constructed 40-kilometer long dam of Saad Marib. In Quran, Saad Marib dam is mentioned. Yamama is the famous area. It is included in Aroz. Batha Valley is situated in Makkah. Makkah Valley is called Faran Valley. Old name of Makkah was Bakka or Batha. Makkah was called Baladul Amin. Baladul Amin means city of peace. Baitul Atiq is other name of Kaaba. Baitul Atiq means old house. Title of Makkah is Ummul Qura. Ummul Qura means mother of villages. Other name of Kaabatullah is Masjidul Haram. Kohi Rahmat is located near Makkah. Jabal Nur is situated in Makkah in Arafat. 70 prophets are buried at Masjid Hanif. Janatul Maula is the big graveyard of Makkah. Janatul Jun is also the graveyard of Makkah. Three bazaars of Makkah, Okas, Mijna, and Zumajaz. The gate Babul Salam is the base for pilgrims to enter in Kaaba. Kaaba is a cubic structure made of stones. Kaaba is called Kaaba because it is a mark-up building. Inside the Kaaba, there are 6 pillars for the roof. There are 80 lights in the roof of Kaaba. Kaaba's cover is changed every year. 40 kilogram gold is used in Kaaba's cover. Kaaba's cover is prepared in 1 year. Islam's most revered mosque in Makkah is Masjid al-Haram. The reward of one prayer offered in it is 100,000 prayers offered elsewhere. There are 25 doors in Masjid al-Haram. Polygamy was common in Arabs. The period preceding the rise of Islam is known as Jahiliyyah. The Jahiliyyah period came to an end in 570 AD. Din Ibrahimi was the religion of forefathers of Prophet, peace be upon him. The tribal chiefs of Arab were called sheikhs, who lived in villages. Arabs called them Hazari. Economically weak Arabs' source of income was keeping animals. Rabba was backbone of Arabs' economy, in which landlords gave money on heavy interest. Geographically, being the port of Arab, Iraq was the province of Faras. Bahrain area of Arab is famous for sea pearls. Filor means sattu is the favorite food of Arabs. Arab makes cocoa from the seed of date. The date palm is the queen of trees in Arab. Date palm's tree leaves does not fail. Date palm's fruit is available for whole year. The first fruitful tree on earth is date. Ummi means illiterate. Jews called Ummis to the Arabs. 15 types of Jews were there in Arab before the advent of Islam. Three types of Jews were there in Medina before the advent of Islam. Jewish was the dominant religion of the Medina before Islam. Basus war was fought because of a she-camel. The war of Basus was fought in Jahiliyyah period in 5th century. The horse was the name of horse of Qais ibn Zubayr. Mayor of Hanbal ibn Badr was Gabra. Banu Kab tribe was the worshipper of the idol Wad. Arabs Amir tribe used to worship the sun. Arabs Kanana tribe used to worship the moon. Arab called Tabi to the worshipper of the stars. Arabs Jazam tribe used to worship Star Mushtari. Arabs Banu Tamim tribe used to worship the fire. Arabs Amro bin Lai placed the foundation of idol worshipping. Before Islam, developed area of Arabia was Yemen. There were 360 idols which were fixed around the Kaaba.